Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a rich merchant and his 3 daughters. The youngest was called Beauty because she was kind, gentle, and wiser than her sisters. Her sisters were jealous and always complained, caring only about clothes and money. Beauty loved her father dearly and dreamed of meeting a kind prince one day. One night, a terrible storm came, and the merchant lost all his ships and gold. They became poor, and all the servants left. Beauty worked hard, while her sisters only complained. One day, the merchant heard that one of his ships had returned. He felt hope again. He asked his daughters, "What should I bring you?" The sisters asked for dresses and jewels. Beauty smiled and said, "Just bring me a single red rose, father." When he reached the harbor, he found the ship empty and all the crew gone. Sad and tired, the merchant lost his way in the snow and found a shining palace in the woods. He entered and found food and a warm fire but saw no one inside. After eating and resting, he saw a garden full of roses and picked one for Beauty. Suddenly, a terrible beast appeared with glowing red eyes and sharp claws. "Who dares to touch my roses?" the beast roared. The merchant begged for mercy. The beast said, "Bring me one of your daughters to stay here, and I will let you go." The merchant agreed, thinking no daughter would come. He returned home sadly. When Beauty heard his story, she said, "Father, I will go. It is my fault." They traveled to the beast's castle, which was full of lights and gold. The beast welcomed Beauty kindly and told her she could live freely. Every night, the beast asked, "Beauty, will you marry me?" And she gently said, "No." But the beast never got angry. He was gentle and always kind. Soon Beauty was no longer afraid. She enjoyed the gardens, music, and books. One day, Beauty missed her father. The beast gave her a magic ring. "Sleep wearing this ring," he said, "and you will see your father again." Beauty woke up in her old house. Her family hugged her in joy. But one night, she dreamed the beast was dying. She cried and rushed back. She found him lying weak and pale. "Please don't die, my dear beast." Her tears fell on him, and suddenly he turned into a handsome prince. "Beauty, your love broke the curse," said the prince. "Will you marry me now?" "Yes," said Beauty. "You are my true love." They returned home together. Their wedding was full of light, laughter, and love. Everyone was happy. The prince and Beauty ruled the kingdom with kindness and peace. And they lived happily ever after, showing that true beauty is in the heart.